What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman here, your Ohio real estate advisor with Paramount Property Investments. Today, I want to talk to the homeowners out there in Northeast Ohio and really sellers all across the country. If you have a property that you have for sale and you have actually started some rehab on the property, but you just didn't finish it, you definitely want to keep in mind to always keep your receipts and all your invoices from contractors or any handyman who've actually worked on your property, because a lot of times when you go to sell your home, the title company is going to want to see that documentation in order for them to ensure the title to the new buyer, because what they want to do is they want to protect their interests, making sure they're not going to have a liability against a future potential mechanics lien on the property. Okay, so it also saves the buyer a lot of headache, so that way they'll have proper coverage on the property as well. All right, so make sure you keep all your receipts and all invoices regarding any work that's been done on your property. That stuff will come up in a land survey once you go ahead and put your property in escrow if you decide to go ahead and sell it. If you have any other questions regarding buying, selling, or investing in real estate, be sure to give me a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit my website, www.investparamount.com.